Very good day and welcome to another Project Exodus update with my speculation today. Let's do this. Another speculation video begins. So I've noticed it says taking thrills to new height. Right, if I noticed on my video last time, it says taking thrills one side, and if we go around here, this is getting interesting because I worked it out on my video, because in the most interesting way, it's about to get realistically interesting as time goes on. So I'm running because there's a reason for this, because round the corner is this to new heights. Now, let's talk about what I've spotted again. Something epic is on the horizon. Be the first to know. Now, this too are interested. They're very bold and big. I searched that on Google, and when I searched it, and that was the result, horizon. I searched, what does it mean, horizon? And if we have a look at the moment, so yeah, that's what it looks like at the moment. But quite interestingly, there's a stand for some kind, and there's a green box down there. I think they're still filling in the lake at the moment, but yeah, it's still quite open space at the minute. So this is interesting. I reckon next few months you will see some changes. So there's still a lot of pile at the moment over there. But yeah, this is really exciting now. So another thing I need to talk about is something about the lighting and different colours and the graphics in the background, because that's got to be something. That has to be something, and that's something else. I still reckon the graphic works for the wider concept of the promotional when it comes out, and it could mean anything still. It could be based on the theming or the concept artwork, whatever it is, I don't know. But this one, I reckon there's something behind this colour blue, because quite clearly there's different graphics into one subject. Because if I'm honest, I haven't talked about the tracker colour yet. I reckon this blue, could this be the colour? If it is, that'd be such a beautiful colour, because it's quite one tone blue, but that has to be the colour. Oh my God! So I've got Charlotte from Theme Park Worldwide, and I've got Sean.
Exodus, here we go,
and
here we go.
We got something exciting that I've not done yet. They've been on summer, right? And what did you say you saw?
Yeah, so they've really started the foundations now for the main bulk of the lift hill and quite a lot of the foundations for the ride, which is really exciting, like where that main lift hill is going to stand. Club 236, here we go.
Oh, I'll do that now. The moment they mention it and they know I'm watching.
Excited. Excited, Dominic.
Oh, of course.
Bring it on, 2024, we'll all be here and we're going to be watching this baby go up. We can't wait.
Literally the air time of Saw, that's where the first job is going to be.
It's going to be insane. I'm looking forward to it a lot.
Thank you so much for being part of my update.
No worries. Have a great day. Thank
you. Right, I'm going to follow Theme Park Worldwide's advice. Go on Samurai now. So I've just done Samurai. Oh, that is on to the winner. I thought Saw was good enough. Get on this one. Get on that one. Literally, if you get the right side, if you go towards further around and you've got the perfect facing direction, the moment you lift up and go upside down, I thought Saw was better to see. No. If you look on the side when you're upside down, briefly, quickly, I am not kidding, but the left hill section, it's literally all nice and flat. It's getting ready for some concrete at some point for that. Yeah, you have to do that, ladies and gentlemen. You can't actually see it, but wow, it is impressive. So yeah, those two are good. I mean, Colossus behind me, it's good, but sorry, ladies and gentlemen, got that one. You have to be very good concentration if you want to see what it looks like. But you won't see the track just yet. But yeah, I think the concrete can't be long. It can't be long. But the rest of the site though, it's like how it is at the minute, just a bit muddy. But that main first section of the lift hill, yes, can't wait. So, I do fancy it again, to be honest, but that's my ride of the day, I suppose. Luke, I want to play a game. Get on Saw and see Exodus now. Get on Saw. It's been a long time.
Right, Exodus.
Exodus is expecting you now. Oh, they have. Right, that was good. Yeah, I think he found that one rough for the second time, but
Wow.
yeah, wow. Well, well done for trying that today, Luke. High five or whatever, yeah, pump. But anyway, that's all for today. It's getting quiet now, I realised. So, great opening day. Finally, the weather's actually decided to stick to dry. But that's it for Saw.